Summer is here, and it's the perfect time to check in on your home's maintenance. Keep your property in top shape with these summer maintenance tips, brought to you by Techrealty.
Tip 1. Inspect your roof. Check for loose or damaged shingles that could cause leaks. A quick inspection now can prevent costly repairs later. Tip 2. Service your air conditioner. Clean or replace your AC filters to ensure proper airflow and cooling efficiency, especially with the rising temperatures. Tip 3. Seal gaps and cracks. Check around your windows and doors for air leaks. Sealing these will keep your home cool and help reduce energy bills. Tip 4. Check your irrigation system. Ensure your sprinkler is working properly to keep your lawn and garden hydrated this summer. Tip 5. Test your smoke detectors. Ensure they're working and the batteries are fresh, especially with more cooking this summer.
Regular maintenance is key to keeping your home in great shape. Follow these simple tips and your property will be ready for summer fun and beyond. Stay tuned for more maintenance tips and don't hesitate to contact us if you need help. Happy summer from Tech Realty.